Dubai is the fourth most visited place in the world and is famous for its high-rising architectural wonders and excellent collection of resorts and spas. It's a place that was once the talk of the town for its gigantic tower Burj Al Arab, only to be replaced by Palm Jumeirah and Burj Khalifa. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about the top 20 things to do in Dubai, UAE. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. Go theme park hopping. Dubai has a knack for making the most ambitious projects happen, so when it comes to theme parks, you just know they'll be pushing the envelope. With an aim of becoming the theme park capital of the world, Dubai is home to some of the world's groundbreaking theme parks. 2. Shop until you drop. When it comes to being a shopping haven, Dubai is one of the world's front-runners. The city is so shopping-obsessed that it has built the world's most gargantuan mall, the Dubai Mall. Other malls like the Mall of Emirates, the Dubai Marina Mall, Dragon Mart, and the Outlet Village Mall are just some of the most popular shopping complexes the city has to offer. 3. Hit the beach. Water lovers, rejoice! There's more to Dubai than dried-up desert dunes. If you're looking to wade in crystal clear waters, Dubai's beaches will not disappoint. Sunset Beach gives you a spectacular view of the Burj Al Arab while walking along fine stretches of sand. Before we move on, make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now because you don't want to miss these top 20 things to do if you're planning to go to Dubai. 4. Gorge on Middle Eastern cuisine. Dubai's rich culinary scene is a melting pot of different cultures around the world, but the undoubted favorite in this culinary landscape is Middle Eastern cuisine, rich, spicy, herbal, and pungent. 5. Conquer the Arabian desert on a desert safari. If you're wondering what to do in Dubai, never miss out on a desert safari. The fun is in choosing how to conquer the Arabian desert. Take a high-octane drive in a 4x4, perch on the back of a camel for a more relaxed ride while spying on Arabian gazelles and oryx, or go sandboarding, quad biking, or dune buggy riding. 6. Try a host of water activities. Dubai has more than 50 kilometers of coastline, making it a great destination for water sports of various types. Go scuba diving with a qualified team of potty instructors, ride a sea breacher and shark-shaped submarine that reaches speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour. Try flyboarding, a one-person water-propelled hoverboard that reaches heights of up to 9 meters, or go wakeboarding, parasailing, tubing, kitesurfing, or paddleboarding. 7. Spot exotic birds at the Wildlife Sanctuary. Heed nature's call by heading over to the Ras Al Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, just meters away from Dubai, more popularly known as the Cape of the Creek. This verdant 6.2 square kilometer wildlife sanctuary features mangroves, salt flats, lagoons, and intertidal mudflats that serve as natural habitats for a host of birds. 8. Take it to the skies in a hot air balloon. Gawk in awe as the vastness of the Arabian desert, 1,219 meters off the ground. A hot air balloon tour gives you the best views of amorphous sand dunes during sunrise, just when the environs are bathed in golden yellow while desert-dwelling creatures roam about. 9. Hop atop a dough cruise. Doughs are traditional wooden boats crafted by local fishing communities to navigate the Indian Ocean and the Red Sea. Today, they're one of the best ways to explore the Dubai Creek and the Dubai Marina, replete with culinary and entertainment amenities. 10. Visit the tallest tower in the world. Apart from being the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa is also Dubai's most popular tourist destination. A true global icon, this 828-meter superstructure is a feat of engineering. If you're looking for unmatched views of the city, there's no better place to get them than in this architectural wonder. 11. Learn about the city's past and Bedouin culture. Don't let the futuristic sights and high-octane activities make you miss one important fact. Dubai is a city rife with history. There's an assemblage of museums, historical treasures, and heritage areas in the city that'll take you on a trip to the past. 12. Explore HATTA. The craggy mountain peaks of HATTA offers lots of activities for travelers looking for the next adrenaline rush just outside of Dubai. Located high in the Hajar Mountains, just 2 hours' drive from downtown Dubai, the untamed environment of HATTA is a playground for mountain bikers. 13. Capture spectacular views from the Dubai Frame. The Dubai Frame, a mammoth 150-meter tall picture-frame-shaped structure, is a true architectural marvel which offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. With a camera, it's easy to capture sweeping views of Dera, the Arabian desert, and the skyscrapers of Dubai Marina. The two parallel towers are connected at the top with a 93-meter-long bridge featuring a 25-square-meter glass panel. Walking across the bridge feels like walking on thin air. 14. Paint the town red. Dubai After Dark is a playground for party animals. Whether you're looking to dance all night, sip on a rooftop cocktails, or brush shoulders with beautiful people at the beach club, the fun factor in this party-loving city is off the charts. White Dubai, one of the top 20 nightclubs in the world, is an open-air superclub that hosts some of the hottest DJs. For bar hopping, head to Soho Garden, a complex made up for 4 bars and clubs. 15. Try deep-sea fishing. As a coastal city, Dubai offers some of the best fishing experiences with its thriving fishing culture and community. Deep-sea fishing might be underrated, as visitors tend to focus more on the events, bars, shopping, and theme parks that Dubai has to offer. 16. GAWK over the Dubai Fountain. Even the League of Fountains, Dubai is one to beat. The Dubai Fountain set on the Burj Khalifa lake in downtown Dubai is the world's largest musical fountain. The massive choreographed water show features powerful jets that can shoot water up to 150 meters, roughly as high as a 50-story building. 17. Ski indoors. Skiing is definitely one of the top activities in Dubai that you shouldn't miss. Trust in Dubai to create the world's largest indoor ski resort. The massive and locally popular Ski Dubai, located at the Mall of Emirates, Ski Dubai is 22,500 square meters of indoor ski area where you can snowboard, ski, toboggan, take a ride on a chairlift, and zipline, among others. The ski resort also comes with a snowy park where you can explore an ice cave, roll inside a giant absorbing ball, or start a snowball fight. 18. Hit the green on top golf courses. Raring to hit the green? Dubai's got you covered. The city is home to 3 of the world's top 100 golf courses and offers high-quality fields for both beginners and professionals. From beachfront golfing to desert golfing, the quality and diversity of Dubai's golf courses are world-renowned. Today, there are around 12 courses scattered in the city, all with a host of attractions and restaurants to keep you occupied when you're taking a break. 19. Explore the city on a boat. From skittering through Old Dubai on a traditional opera to gawking over the Dubai Marina skyline on a luxury yacht, riding a boat is one of the best things to do in Dubai to soak up the sights. Sailing atop a Dubai opera is the cheapest way to explore the city on water. But if you're looking for a more leisurely exploration with a relaxed pace, opt for the yellow boats that offer 45, 75, or 90-minute tours. And lastly, plummet from the sky. A hot air balloon allows you to explore Dubai at a leisurely pace. But if you're the adrenaline-craving, daredevil type, plummeting to the ground from a plane 3,962 meters over a desert might be more your thing. All skydiving activities in Dubai are managed by Skydive Dubai, a company that holds several Guinness World Records. The iconic high-rise skylines of Dubai and Abu Dhabi, brimming along sandy shorelines, have made the United Arab Emirates a popular destination for anyone wanting to mix a city break with some beach time. Have you been in Dubai? What are the things you can recommend for first-timers? Let's know in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.